Hello everybody, this is Dieu Uwingabiye, your language teacher at Liberty Speaking YouTube channel. Today's lesson is entitled Informal Greetings. Are you ready? Are you enjoying my classes? I hope so. Now, let us start with a small talk. Conversation. Hi Ellen. How is it going?
Fine, thanks. And you?
Pretty good. Where are you off to?
To the library. I've got a history exam and need to start studying.
Oh no! Well, see you later then.
Goodbye. See you later.
In this conversation, we have seen different informal greetings. Hi is an informal way of saying hello. Notice the rise intonation on hi. I sound is extended to show someone that you are surprised to see someone else. How is it going? And you? How is it going? It is another informal way to ask someone, how are you? And you? Notice the rise intonation, and you. You is a raised intonation to show someone that you are really surprised to meet them. Where are you off to? Where are you off to is an informal way of asking, where are you going? See you later. It is an informal way of saying goodbye. Thanks for watching. This is Mr. Dieu Uwingabiye saying thanks. See you later.